Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. Up until last year, 2020, we'd been running a kind of 6-week summer school here in London every year, usually in July and then the first half of August. And to be honest, this had been my favourite part of the year. I love doing face-to-face teaching and face-to-face teacher development work, and I also loved getting to show people around London, showing them hidden corners of the city that they'd never see otherwise, and helping them understand a bit more about the cultural, social, political history of my city. Sadly, last year we had to postpone the summer school because of COVID, and we had been hoping to run a summer school this year. Unfortunately, a couple of weeks ago we were forced to pull the plug on the summer school for this year. In other words, we were forced to cancel it. At the moment, anyone coming into the UK has to quarantine for 10 days, and we've no idea when this restriction is going to be lifted, hence our decision. If you pull the plug on something, you do something that stops an activity from continuing. It's often to do with money. So maybe, a TV company might pull the plug on a new show after the first series, or an unsuccessful play. The theatre might pull the plug on it after a couple of months. A company might pull the plug on a deal, or the bank might pull the plug on a project by removing the financing for it. So, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you think you might use pull the plug.